You can earn money online without investing a single cent. Imagine being able to generate income from the comfort of your home, leveraging your skills and creativity. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, there are numerous opportunities available. In this video, we'll explore 10 easy ways to make money online without any upfront investment. From utilizing your skills to harnessing online platforms, these methods can help you start earning today. So, stick around as we dive into these fantastic options. At number 10, we have the opportunity to ignite your creativity. If you have a knack for design, writing, or art, freelancing can be a great way to monetize your skills. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to showcase your talents and connect with clients looking for specific services. Whether it's graphic design, content writing, or even voiceovers, the possibilities are endless. Create a compelling profile, showcase your previous work, and start bidding on projects that match your skills. You might wonder how to stand out in a crowded marketplace. The key is to focus on a niche where you can excel. If you're a fantastic graphic designer, consider specializing in logo design or social media graphics. For writers, targeting a specific genre or topic can help you attract clients who are looking for expertise. As you build your reputation, you can increase your rates and take on more clients, turning your creative passion into a profitable venture. Coming in at number 9, we have affiliate marketing. This method allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. You don't need to create your own products. Simply share affiliate links on your blog, social media, or even through email marketing. The key is to choose products that align with your audience's interests. Platforms like Amazon Associates or ShareASale offer a vast range of products to promote. To succeed in affiliate marketing, it's essential to build trust with your audience. Provide valuable content that genuinely helps them solve problems or meet their needs. For instance, if you have a beauty blog, reviewing skincare products and including affiliate links can be an excellent way to earn commissions. As you grow your audience and improve your content, you'll notice your affiliate earnings increase. Remember to track your results and experiment with different products to see what resonates best with your audience. This can lead to significant passive income over time, making affiliate marketing a powerful tool in your money-making arsenal. At number 8, we have the opportunity to participate in online surveys and market research. Companies are constantly looking for consumer feedback to improve their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your opinion. Websites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Vindale Research offer rewards for completing surveys and sharing your thoughts. While you won't get rich from taking surveys, it's a straightforward way to make some extra cash during your spare time. Set aside a few minutes each day to complete surveys and watch your earnings grow. Additionally, some sites offer bonuses for signing up or referring friends, which can boost your earnings even further. Moving on to number 7, we have selling digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area or a creative skill, consider creating and selling digital products. This could include ebooks, online courses, printables, or even stock photos. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad make it easy to sell your digital creations without any upfront costs. To get started, think about what you're passionate about or skilled in. Are you an expert in fitness? Create a workout plan or an ebook with healthy recipes. If you're an artist, consider selling printable art or designs. The beauty of digital products is that you can create them once and sell them repeatedly, generating passive income. Promoting your digital products through social media or your website can help drive traffic and sales. Focus on building an email list to nurture your audience and inform them about new releases or special offers. As your digital product offerings grow, so can your income. At number 6, we have content creation on social media platforms. If you enjoy making videos, taking photos, or sharing your thoughts, consider becoming a content creator. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and even Twitch provide opportunities to build an audience and monetize your content. To start, find a niche you're passionate about. Whether it's fashion, gaming, cooking, or travel, creating content around your interests will make the process enjoyable. As you build your audience, you can monetize your content through ad revenue, sponsorships, or even merchandise sales. Engagement is key in this space. Interact with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and creating content based on their interests. The more you connect with your viewers, the more likely they are to support your journey, leading to growth and income over time. Coming in at number 5, we have virtual assistants. Many entrepreneurs and businesses need help with administrative tasks, social media management, or customer support, and they are willing to pay for it. As a virtual assistant, you can work from anywhere and offer your skills on a freelance basis. To get started, identify your strengths and the services you can provide. This could be anything from managing emails to scheduling appointments or handling social media accounts. Websites like Belay, Time, etc., and Fancy Hands connect virtual assistants with clients seeking support. As you gain experience and build your client base, you can increase your rates and even specialize in a specific area, such as real estate assistance or e-commerce support. Virtual assistants can be a rewarding way to earn money while helping others manage their businesses more effectively. At number 4, we have tutoring or teaching online. If you excel in a particular subject or skill, consider sharing your knowledge with others through tutoring. Platforms like VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, or even Skillshare allow you to connect with students who need assistance. Whether you're teaching English as a second language, math, or even music lessons, there's a demand for various subjects. You can set your own hours and rates, making it a flexible way to earn money. Promoting your services through social media or local community groups can help you attract students. Moving on to number 3, we have dropshipping. This e-commerce model allows you to sell products without holding inventory or making a significant investment. You set up an online store, list products, and when a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo make it easy to start a dropshipping business. At number 2, we have blogging. If you have a passion for writing and sharing your thoughts, consider starting a blog. While it may take time to build an audience, a successful blog can generate income through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and advertising. Finally, at number 1, we have online consulting. If you have expertise in a specific field, consider offering your services as an online consultant. Whether you're skilled in business strategy, marketing, finance, or health and wellness, companies and individuals are willing to pay for your insights and guidance. To get started, define your niche and create a professional website showcasing your services and expertise. Utilize platforms like LinkedIn to connect with potential clients and promote your consulting services. You can conduct consultations via video calls, making it convenient for both you and your clients. Online consulting can be a highly rewarding way to leverage your skills and knowledge while earning money online. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies to help you navigate the online world and make money from the comfort of your home. Your journey to financial freedom starts today.